To activate the dual screen, tap B mode and choose double B. To switch to the second window, tap on its number. Image in first window will be frozen. You can split the screen into 4 windows. Tap B mode and choose quadruple B. To come back to the single window, tap B mode and choose B. Tap the B plus M mode to enable this mode. Set the speed of the M mode by choosing one of the speed options. To turn off the B plus M mode, tap B mode and choose B. To activate the color Doppler mode, tap Doppler. To change between the Doppler modes, use a panel on the left side of the screen. To enable the Doppler spectrum, check the Gate Update box. Check the Invert box if needed and drag and drop baseline to change its position. Tap Doppler to turn it off. To enable the Virtual Convex mode, tap VI Probe. Tap again to turn it off. Tap Presets to select predefined settings for an examination type. To enable the full screen mode, tap Full Screen. You can use active fields to adjust imaging parameters. You can save, measure and freeze image in this mode. Tap Exit Full Screen to come back to the standard panel. All the measurements are accessible in the Measures menu. To annotate, tap ABC. Fill in the description field using the displayed keyboard. To delete the annotation, use the Del button in the Edit window and use X to turn it off. The Patient menu allows for entering database or finishing examination. In the Settings menu, you will find all information about the system and advanced system settings.